if you're facing a problem where your iPhone says cannot restore backup, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and back up from your iPhone right over here on iCloud, then there are a couple of reasons that you might be facing this problem. The first is going to be your internet connection. Try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. Always ensure that VPN is off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If that is not the case, it might also be because of your storage. Simply go ahead and clear your storage or get more storage, which is going to go ahead and fix your problem. However, if that is not the case, then it might also be because of your mobile device. What you can try to do is simply go ahead and head to the general and then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset and reset all settings and network settings, and that should fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on